Hi guys, welcome back to Food and Mood Creations. Today we're going to be making zucchini squash bread. So this kind of came about because I wanted to make zucchini bread, but I didn't have enough zucchini. But I did have a squash, so I decided to use the squash and the zucchini that I had. So this is my gluten-free flour blend. It is xanthan gum free. If you want to know more about xanthan gum, I will be releasing a blog post later this week. You can use store-bought gluten-free all-purpose flour if you want to, or you can use a mixture of gluten-free flours like almond and coconut flour if you want to. If you want the exact recipe to my gluten-free all-purpose flour, the recipe will be linked in the description box below. So I just added cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, nutmeg, and salt to the gluten-free all-purpose flour, and I'm just gonna whisk that to combine. So next I'm just gonna whisk the eggs, stevia, coconut oil, vanilla extract, and evaporated milk until it is combined. I use evaporated milk because that's all I had in my house, but you don't have to use that. You can use any milk you like. So now I'm just gonna add the gluten-free flour blend to the stevia and egg mixture and mix to combine. As you can see, this batter is gonna come out really thick, but there's no need to worry because the zucchini and the squash will loosen it up. Zucchini consists of 95% water, so it will loosen up the batter. Zucchini also contains beneficial nutrients such as minerals, carotenoids, vitamin C, and phenolic compounds. It also has about 33 calories. Now I'm going to fold in the shredded zucchini and squash, and then I'm going to pour it into a parchment lined loaf pan and bake it for 50 minutes to an hour. This is how the zucchini squash bread came out. It was really good. It was super moist and delicious. The zucchini and the squash melted right into the bread, so it really is the perfect way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. If you want the recipe to the zucchini squash bread, it is linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.